Today, we're going to build a Rebel Snowspeeder using 19 Lego pieces. These are all the pieces we're going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece count, name, and design ID. The first thing we're going to do is grab this 2x3 plate, and on the front two studs, we're going to put our wedge plates. So just put your wedge plates on the first two studs like that. And then on the back two studs, we're going to get our 1x2 bracket plates and just put the one hole on the side on the one stud there. So you're going to do that 2 times, right? So right there, and now we've got the back. And then to hold those 2 bracket plates together, we're just going to get a regular 1x2 plate and put it right there in the center so it holds them together. And then in front of that 1x2 plate, we're going to get 2 jumper plates. So just put those 2 jumper plates right in front like this. And the reason we put jumper plates there is that's where our cockpit's going to go. So to put our cockpit, we just get some of these black translucent slopes, and you got the front where the pilot or Luke Skywalker would be, and then in the back you've got Dax's where he can pilot the gun, the rear harpoon cannon, and there's our cockpit to our Snowspeeder. Now in the back here we've got these 2 studs. On top of that we're going to put a orange jumper plate because the Snowspeeder kind of had like an orange paint job on it, so we're going to put a few orange pieces in there to give it the illusion. And then on the sides here we're going to put these tile clips on top and on the sides there. So just going to cover up the rest of that bracket plate, and you'll see how I put them on so that the claw piece is facing forward. Alright, we're going to do that here too, and probably give you a better view of how that tile clip goes on, but you can see how that tile clip fits on. And the reason we do that is because that's where our guns are going to go later on. But I'm not going to do the guns yet. Instead, I want to do the back engines. And on the back here, we're going to get a grill plate. And you could do a dark gray, but I only had a light bluish gray, so I'm just going to put that grill plate there in the center. And once again, that's going to hold those brackets together, make it even more secure. And on the back for the engines, we're just going to put some dark gray 1x1 plates. And if you wanted, you could have them firing so you get some like translucent blue ones, but I'm putting the dark color because I like that effect more with this model. And now on the back of this orange jumper plate, we're going to get our binoculars. And the binoculars are going to be kind of like that rear cannon that we fire our harpoons into the and there you can see the hole on top, and you do this in the camera and I didn't see that, and you put it so the large ends of the binoculars face out, and then now we get to use those clips where I get my little Jedi wands here, all white Jedi wands, and just put them in the clip all the way back. And here we have our Rebel Snowspeeder. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Thank you.